Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to see how we can upload ebooks on InstaMojo. Before that, I want to share something with you, and that is I have seen many people collecting leads with the help of Google Forms, but we have to change ourselves. We have to become professional. So that's why we need to use InstaMojo for collecting all types of leads, whether it is free leads or paid leads. Now, if you have created account on InstaMojo, then your dashboard will be like this. You can see here. Just don't get confused. You just come on here and you will get create payment link. This is for like getting payment from the people. So quick link and smart link. So purpose of payment. Suppose you want the donation. Suppose you want help from anyone. How much you want? Let's take 20,000. Then create link. Okay, 1,000. Okay. Now your link is ready. It's like professional. Okay. If you want money something from any people, you just copy this or send by WhatsApp, send by email, pay button on website, show QR code and see all payment links. I know nowadays technology is so update, that's why we don't need, but in case of you need, then you just copy it, go to Google and paste it here. You will get your name here. Okay, so if someone wants to pay me, then he will get my photo, name. It's totally professional, and he can easily transfer to my account. Anyway, so we will go back to dashboard. So as I told you that we will upload our ebooks. Now we will go to add products, then physical products. We don't have any physical products, we have digital products. Event tickets I will come later on, so we will go to digital products. So here I don't want to type anything, so I will go with my already uploaded ebooks. Okay, so I will just edit this one. So this one and this one is same, so don't get confused. So how to upload your book or ebook or PDF book? Upload the file you want to sell. So here I will show you how to upload. It's very simple. Choose file, upload it. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just going to close this. Now we are on digital product. So product title, financial freedom, whatever your title. Then if you want to make it free, you just go ahead, make it free, or make this like paid version. Product description. So if you are thinking that why we need to type hashtag or star, then you just click on here. So double star means bold, italic, and one hashtag means headline. 4 hashtag I have given, that means a headline heading 4. Okay, so don't get confused. So it will help you, or you can check other people like InstaMojo, payment gateway, and you will get ideas. So it's totally depends on you what type of products you want to sell. Now product category, so you choose your own category. I have given courses and education. Then product tags, financial freedom, these are the product tags. You just go ahead and create your tags. Now click to select. So here add images up to 5 only. Here you can upload image. So see, recommended size is 312 pixel into 224 pixel. So if you get any problem while creating or uploading images, then just go to Canva and take the size of Instagram post and create your book cover there, and you won't face any problem. You can directly upload. Now leave it, go to advanced settings. So here you can see custom redirectional URL. So sometime what happen, whenever you make payment on InstaMojo, they send you to different page. So this is the place where you can give your own URL where people can join WhatsApp group or some other website. So a custom note to your customers, so once they purchase they will get message like this. If you want to change your message, you just go ahead and change. So webhook URL I will talk about in upcoming lesson, not in upcoming lesson, in just next product. Here I will talk about it. So next is SEO option. SEO options help us to rank on Google. So SEO title, description, whatever description you have, keywords. So keywords will help you to rank on Google. Just go ahead and update it and you will see the result. Okay, so your book is ready to sell. That's it. It's very simple. Suppose you want to give discount on this book, so don't worry, you just go to more option, discount code. So here you can see I have already given discount. So how to create discount? You just whatever code you want to give, amount of, let me show you, like 120 you want off, then leave it blank, or you can give it to limit also, add, code should be 4. Okay, it's your code you can create. Now I will select this and I will paste it here. Okay, so the price of the book was 199, now it's 79. It's totally up to you how much you want to charge for your ebook. Now if you want to change pay button, custom fields, variants, you just go and experiment it, you will get easily. Now we will go to virtual event. Okay, so let me take you to the dashboard. Again we will go to add product. So in the last part we have studied about digital product, okay, or we learned about digital product. Now we will talk about event tickets. See, this one is helpful for selling ebooks, or selling free ebooks for collecting leads. But if you are a like trainer, if you want to provide training to people with the help of virtual event like Zoom or Google Meet, then you should create event ticket. So how to write on event tickets I will show you here. Just I will edit this one because it's a event ticket. So you can see here it's event ticket. Just go to add product, event tickets. First baby planning, product description you can get here. Now how to write, then product category, events, workshops, seminars, you choose from here. Then just if you want to make it free, you just make it free. Limit quantity. So suppose you want to provide training with the help of Zoom and the Zoom capacity is only 100, then you just put it 100. It's up to you. If you have 500 limits, you just give it to 500 people. And as I told you how you can like create images in the Canva. Now event type, so you can see here virtual or in person. So links to join the event, so you can see here I'm not sending Zoom Google Meet link, I'm sending WhatsApp group. So once they make payment, they will be added to WhatsApp group once they join. Here you can send your Google Meet or Zoom link. Now event starts on March 21, you can send the date, end date, or whatever. Now send event details with the payment receipt. Yes, you can send them, you just check it. Okay, then go to advanced settings, custom redirectional URL. So here you can see I'm redirecting this person from Instamojo account to some other account, and that is Mailchimp landing page, where they will get WhatsApp group to join WhatsApp group, and this is custom note to your customers. Once they make payment, they will get message like this. Even they will get WhatsApp group to join. And webhook URL. In last part I was just talking about webhook URL. So webhook URL is very important, because suppose you want to take data from Instamojo to your email automation software, so you have to link this way. So in upcoming lessons I will show you about custom redirectional URL and webhook, that how you can send people to WhatsApp group, as well as how you can send data from Instamojo to email automation software. Now I will just update it. Okay, let me show you how this platform works. So just I will change the date here, like June 16 to June 18. Okay, I will update it, and I will buy one ticket here. Okay, so just for demo purpose, let's put my name here, Neeraj, and see email ID. Okay, help me Neeraj at gmail.com. My number, okay, so you can see here I'm going to attend one virtual event, and the details are here. Here I'm not going to pay now, so I have to make it free first. Oh, that's the challenge now. Okay, I have to edit again. Okay, so I made it free. Now I will collect it again. Now claim for free, my number. Okay, claim for free. So you can see how I send people to some other pages, this. So once they make payment, they will redirect it to this page. So you can, I know that you are सबसे बड़ा योद्धा, but you have to be plant योद्धा. Okay, click here to join the WhatsApp group. So I have kept here one video not available right now. Okay, because I have deleted the link. So in this way you can create or upload products, and you can create virtual event on Instamojo. So I'm telling you to just use this one, because this is the best way to collect leads in a professional way. And even you can download the leads. Yes, you can download the leads from this platform. You just go ahead and just experience it, and meet you in the next video with some more information. For now, bye bye.